Today, I'll show you how to add a fake camera shake effect to your footage, making your static shots feel more dynamic and natural. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and play it back. You'll notice it's a stable tripod shot, but we're going to add some realistic movement. Now, go to the effects panel and search for camera shake. You'll see different shake presets, but for a subtle effect, use the mild camera shake. Drag and drop it onto your clip, and immediately you'll notice some movement. By default, the shake effect may be too intense. To refine it, select your video, go to the Effects tab in the right side editing panel, and adjust the following settings: position X 0.02, position Y 0.02, position Z 5. This creates a smooth and controlled shake without making it too distracting. Now, play your video and see how much more natural it looks. And that's it. You've successfully added a fake camera shake effect in Filmora, perfect for adding a handheld feel to your videos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips